So let's start my daily quiz practice from Vajiram and Ravi daily kind affairs quiz. And today I am going to test the quiz test of 22nd September. So let's start. The first question is, consider the following statements regarding Lactifloas khasianas recently seen in the news. The first option is, it is a new species of edible mushroom. It was discovered in Sikkim. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? So I go for the option A, one only, because I think option one, it is a new species of edible mushroom. Only this one is correct. And the second question is, which among the following best describes one Wang 5 recently seen in the news? And I choose the option D. It is tracking ship for space and missile monitoring. And the question 3 is, Bagram Air Base is located in which country? And I go for the option B, Afghanistan. And the question 4 is, with reference to the Baltic Sea, consider the following statements. Um and for this question I only go for option A, only one, because I think option one is correct. It is a semi enclosed inland sea of the Atlantic Ocean. And the fifth question is, the Indrayani river flows through which Indian state? And I think the answer will be option C, Maharashtra. Question 6, consider the following statements regarding Project Vajak. So, I think both the options are right. It is an initiative of the Border Roads Organization. It has an objective of providing road connectivity in the areas of Kargil and Jaskar Range. Question 7, consider the following statements regarding Chenab River. It flows through Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Question option A, 1 is right. It is one of the tributary of the Indus River. Both option 1 and 2 is right. And the question A, number 8 is, with reference to Mozambique, consider the following. I think for this question, I go for uh, it shares its borders with Kenya and Zimbabwe. This is not correct. It is a coastline on the Indian Ocean to the east. Yes, it is correct. So I go for the option to B, only two. And the question 9 is, consider the following statements regarding National Archives of India. It is a custodian, and the options are, it is the custodian of the records of engineering. So I go for the option A, one only. And the question number 10 is, consider the following statement regarding Clean Plant Program. And I go for the option 2. It provides farmers with access to high quality virus free planting material of key fruit crops. So I think the answer will be option B, 2 only. So let's take the answers. How many questions are right from my side? So here I can see that I have scored 90% out of 100%. So the first question, consider the following statements regarding Khasianas recently seen in the Niles. Option 1, this is correct. It is a new species of edible mushroom, which is correct. And the second question, so let's check the answers. The first question is, consider the following statements regarding Khasianas recently seen in the news. One only, and the answer is, it is a new species of edible mushroom. Researchers recently discovered a new species mushroom, now formally named Lactifloas khasianas, but long known to Khashi tribal communities as Tit Ayungna. And the second question is, which among the following best describes Yan Wang 5 recently seen in the news? And the answer is, it is a tracking ship for space and missile monitoring. And the answer is correct. China's spy ship Yan Wang 5 has returned to the maritime neighborhood of India 3 years after it had docked at Hambantota port of Sri Lanka. The third question is, Bagram Air Base is located in which country? And the answer is Afghanistan. And this is also correct answer. The Taliban government recently rejected US President Donald Trump's bid to retake Bagram Air Base 4 years after America's chaotic withdrawal from Afghanistan left the sprawling military facility in the Taliban hands. The fourth question is, with reference to the Baltic Sea, consider the following statements. So here I answer only one, but my answer is incorrect. So the correct answer is only two. Answer B. So Explanation. The explanation is Germany's Air Force recently sent two Eurofighters to track a Russian Il-20A military aircraft that had entered neutral airspace over Baltic Sea before handing the escort over to NATO partner said Sweden. The fifth question is the Indrayani River flows through which Indian state? And the answer is Maharashtra, and my answer also is correct. State level technical committee recently approved two sewage treatment plant projects along the Indrayani River in Pimpri Chinchwad to curb water pollution. The sixth question is consider the following statements regarding Project Vijayak. So the answer is both 1 and 2 is correct. It is an initiative of Border Roads Organization. It has an objective of providing road connectivity in the areas of Kargil and Jaskar region. Seventh question is consider the following statement regarding Chenab River. So the answer both 1 and 2, and the answer is also correct. It flows through Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. It is one of the tributary of the Indus River. The eighth question is with reference to Mozambique, consider the following statements. So only two, and the answer is it has a coastline on the Indian Ocean to the east. The ninth question is consider the following statements regarding National Archives of India, and the answer is only one. It is the custodian of records. It is the custodian of the records of enduring value of the government of India. And the last question is consider the following statements regarding Clean Plant Program, and the answer is only two. It provides farmers with access to high quality virus free planting material of key fruit crops. So out of 10 questions I correctly answered 9.